What's going on, family? I'm Troy Lanning, and this is my wife, Stephanie, and we're planting Seasons Church in Beaumont, California, launching in the fall of 2026. And as a family, we've walked through many different seasons in our lives. Some have been on the mountaintop, where everything seems to go according to our plan, and others deep in the valley. In 2019, our son Jet was diagnosed with an ultra-rare genetic disorder called CHAMP1, and in that moment, everything changed. In the middle of that pain, God met us. He walked with us. He surrounded us by people who truly loved us, showed us his faithfulness, and gave us a new vision that even in difficult seasons, he is still good.
And that's where Seasons Church was born, because we've seen firsthand that people need Jesus and a community that will walk with them through every season of life, just like we experienced. Our vision is simple: to reflect Christ in every season of life, meeting people where they are, walking with them through it, and calling them forward in faith.